So today I have a watch from a local company here in the Toronto area, Wilk Watchworks. Scott, the owner of Wilk, has been making some really interesting watches for quite a few years now, but just this past weekend he released an affordable custom quartz line in a whole bunch of fun colorways. I have a red variant here for us to look at today, so let's get into the watch. Now, we'll go through the specifics of this particular watch, but there's a few options if you're buying one I want to talk about first. And number one is case size. You can get these in either a 41 millimeter like this or a 36 millimeter case. If I counted right, there's a total of 12 dial colors. Each color comes with either stainless markers and logos on the dial or gunmetal finished markers. You also have the choice of case finish with stainless, black, gold, or rose gold. On top of that, you have the choice of straps, so you can really set this up how you like it. One thing that's pretty cool is the owner, Scott, actually paints these dials himself. I'm not sure his exact method, but I've been to his workshop, and he has quite the setup for building watches there. He also applies the markers and logos. This particular watch has the gunmetal finish on the markers. A couple of details that are nice is first the 12 o'clock marker with the three triangles, which is the Wilk Watchworks logo. They've also given a nod to their home country and my home country with a small maple leaf above the 6. The case is an ion plated matte black, good even finish work. The crown is signed with the company logo, and that logo is repeated on the case back. Not sure about the steel ring, but the rest of the case back was designed and built completely from scratch. I don't know how he did it exactly, but there's an interesting texture under the crystal. I haven't seen a case back quite like this, but it has a really cool look. Size-wise, this one comes in at a width of 41 millimeters. Again, there is that 36 millimeter option if you prefer that. Lug to lug is 49. The lug opening is 20 millimeters, and the thickness is 12.9 millimeters, including the domed mineral crystal. The water resist is 50 meters, and the watch runs the Ronda 503 quartz movement with a battery life of about 3.5 years. The strap is a black padded leather with matching hardware. The buckle is signed. Good pliable leather right out of the box, so no break-in period. When you order, you do have some options for strap color, but this one is a really nice pairing against this black case. And here it is on my 7.25 inch wrist. It wears great, and I just love all the options, especially the size option. I wish more companies would do that. Now, these were released just this past Saturday, and at the moment there is a discount. MSRP is $230, but these are currently on sale for $195 for the steel and $210 for any of the ion-plated versions. But check this out. That is Canadian dollars, which in US dollars gives these a starting price of just under $150 as of today's exchange rate for the steel models. That is a total steal for what you're getting, considering the work Wilk Watchworks has put into making these. Definitely check out the site, and even if this one isn't right for you, there's some other really cool options there. So big thanks to Scott for lending this in. Fun watch to check out. Thanks to you guys for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.